Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones Sony. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case. And I recommend it to remove these headphones from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon. Forget the device, forget device also. Now, press and hold this connectional button until this LED light is start flashing red. Here we go, and it start flashing red. Then on your Android device click pair new device, and after that press and hold again connectional button until this LED light start flashing blue. Here we go, now click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!